today we are going to the Sydney Zoo, right?
Taronga Zoo.
Okay, whatever that is. Wait, what did you say?
Taronga Zoo.
Taronga Zoo. And yeah, so we literally just got dressed. I'm in this Gap t-shirt with my bag and jeans at the moment. I've got my shoes that I need to put on, and we're gonna have breakfast now. So, you hungry? You're not hungry, are you?
No.
I'm hungry. So that we're gonna go. Right. Look at them koalas. Wait, there's two there.
Where?
Look, where are you bringing it? Look, here. 1, 2.
Oh, you mean 1, 2,
You got
3, 4.
3. There's one behind there, 4. Let's go. नहीं कोई नहीं ज्योति का ज्योति 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 टर्की कुत्ता बनी करती Yeah. No ज्योति
No, that one.
I would definitely have picked the other.
Arman.
That was it.
This is the ultimate prize for Australia's black-breasted buzzard. Now this is Waru, and even with Her feet and beak, she needs help to get inside an emu egg, and the rock is the perfect tool for the job. And what you're witnessing is not something she was ever taught to do. It's instinct, and she hatched from her own egg with this knowledge already in her brain.
Do you ever get the feeling that you're being watched?
Now Leslie is fairly obviously a vulture, a superb scavenger, and they're regularly seen feeding by reaching deep inside dead animals to get to all the soft juicy bits that are inside. Now this is a pretty messy way to eat, but with a relatively naked head and neck that she shares with many of her relatives, it's perfect for keeping her clean and healthy. Any blood and guts that collects upon it will just dry and flake on off. She gets to stay very clean. Now wedge-tails like Reggie are often seen flying at high altitudes. They can do it for hours on end as they just ride effortlessly on those air currents. Now it's pretty easy to appreciate Reggie's majesty, but this was not always the case for another of our eagles, for she was found injured in the wild, unable to fly. But she was brought into Taronga where she had a chance to regain her strength and learn to fly again. Well, thanks so much for joining us, everyone. We hope you enjoyed the show.
Very good.
Jyoti tere wangu khanda. How do you feel?
ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਵਾਂਗੂ ਖਾਂਦਾ ਸੀ
No, no, no. Tere wangu hi khanda dekh.
I've never actually seen that many.
Tumi dekh khanda.
ਓਕੇ ਫਿਰ ਮੇਰੀ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ ਦੇਖੀ ਨਾ ਬਰਾਬਰ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਮੈਂ
Okay, chal chab.
ਜਸ ਤੇਰੇ ਨੂੰ ਸੁੱਤਾ ਪਿਆ
I know Hana.
ਤੇਰੇ ਵਾਂਗੂ ਸੁੱਤਾ ਪਿਆ
Mere te gaya.
ਤੇਰੇ ਤੇ ਗਿਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੁੱਤਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਵਾਂਗੂ ਪਿਆ ਉਹ ਸੱਚ ਹਾਂ ਭੁੱਲ ਗਿਆ ਮੈਂ ਤੇਰਾ ਭਰਾ ਆ ਲੁੱਕ
ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਜੀਜਾ ਬਣਿਆ
ਮੇਰਾ ਜੀਜਾ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਬਣਿਆ ਮੇਰਾ ਸਾਲਾ ਬਣਿਆ
ਤੇਰਾ ਸਾਲਾ ਬਣਿਆ ਉਹ ਤੇ
ਮੇਰਾ
ਤੂੰ
ਸਾਲਾ
ਦਾ
ਬਣਿਆ।
ਜੀਜਾ Simran, if you're watching,
ਆ ਤਾਂ ਪੱਕੀ ਸੇ
where is it? Wait, ਕਿੱਥੇ ਗਿਆ?
ਆ ਦੇ ਉਹਦੀ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਬਣਦੀ ਆ ਦੇਖ
Oh ਹਾਂ ਅੱਛਾ ਆ ਸੀ Simran. Okay, okay.
ਚਲੋ
Crab.
Oh yeah, no, it's the otter.
No, no. Cat, no.
It's going after it.
Crayfish, eating crayfish.
Look
I got
at
it
it.
out. It's a crayfish.
Tobias, have you ever trained with a seal before? No. Murphy, have you ever trained a Tobias before? No. All right, we'll make this really simple for you. All you need to do on the count of 3 is throw your hands in the air like this and yell out, jump Murphy. What Murphy is going to do is jump off the top wharf into the water, touch his nose on that ball. Does that sound pretty simple? For you, yes. All right, sweet. So we're going to get Murphy to come on up. Just assessing the pool. You're all good? Yep. Excellent. All right. Murph, I'm going to go all the way to the top. Good boy. All right, Tobias, on 3, jump Murphy. 1, 2, 3. Not as easy, is it? No. Tobias, you actually did a really good job. But Murphy, was that loud enough for you? He said no. All right, so what we're going to do is get the whole audience to help you out, Tobias. On the count of 3, jump Murphy, hands in the air. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful.
Now we also have Safari there at the back.
तू Jocelyn or Simran.
Very funny.
Yeah.
Trông trông kiểu nhăn nheo ấy. Điêu.
No. Where are we going?
I don't know which animal.
Kangaroo.
Oh, kangaroo.
Mommy, can I go to the water area now, please? Daddy, do you go to the pool area? I want to see more.
ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਲੱਗਿਆ?
ਕਾਜਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੱਢਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਜੀ। ਗੰਨੇ ਵਰਗਾ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ।
Jyoti, what are we gonna eat?
It's called dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit.
Yeah.
ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਖਿੱਚੀਆਂ It tastes like water. तू भी खाना इन डिलीवरी से खाना होता है
Okay. I can't eat too much.
Why? I can't eat too much.
ਟੇਸਟ ਕਿਸੇ ਚੀਜ਼ ਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦਾ, ਨਾਰਮਲ ਜਾਂਦਾ, ਕਿਤੋਂ ਕੌੜਾ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਕਿਤੋਂ ਮਿੱਠਾ ਆਉਂਦਾ। Extra.
थोड़ा दे भाई, थोड़ा दे उन्हें।
I've had it before.
नहीं खाना है उनका साफ नहीं लगी है।
तो सवाद नहीं लग गया
ਲੰਘਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ
ਚਾਚਾ ਜੀ
ਅਜੀਬ ਜਿਹਾ ਟੇਸਟ ਆ ਪਾਣੀ ਵਾਂਗੂ ਆ ਪਾਣੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਿਟਸ ਆ ਮਿੱਠਾ ਵੀ ਆ ਪਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਵੀ ਮਿੱਠਾ ਪਰ ਲੰਘਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਤੇ ਵਾਟਰਮੈਲਨ ਵਾਂਗੂ ਹੀ ਆ
ਹਾਂ
नहीं वाटरमेलन का मीठा ਹੁੰਦਾ बेटा वाटरमेलन
ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹੀ ਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਆ ਉਹਦਾ ਮੂੰਹ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਾਉਂਦੇ ਆ ਫਿਰ ਵਾਟਰਮੈਲਨ ਵਾਂਗੂ ਆ ਪਰ ਟੇਸਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਿੱਠਾ
रसा ज्यादा ਹੁੰਦਾ ना वाटरमेलन मीठा ज्यादा ਹੁੰਦਾ
ਕੀ ਸੀ ਅੱਛਾ ਉਹਦੇ ਤੇ 4 whose turn
yours
no ਮੇਰੇ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਕਿਹਦੀ turn
maybe just put it down
What colour do you change it?
ਐਨੀ
What colour?
ਹੁਣ ਦੁਬਾਰਾ ਮੇਰੀ turn ਆ ਫਿਰ
no what color you're changing the color now look you get to choose
okay
what color do you want
Yellow, red, blue or green?
I might be yellow
okay
It's okay.
come on your turn Esther
No, it's your turn. Oh, it's
no, I
my
picked
turn.
up. I
It's
picked
my
up.
turn.
whose turn again
Yours.
oh no after me
Mia come on man this is clockwise
lovely
right guys so it's been like a crazy day today we're kind of tired tomorrow we're going to the city maybe doing some shopping and yes that's our last day tomorrow in Sydney. The day after we leave early morning to go to Auckland, so exciting. But yeah, so that's the situation today. We've literally just had dinner, chilled for a bit, and now like up in our room, so I'm just going to be editing pictures for now and maybe transferring files over, and yeah that's about it. And then I just need to go to the toilet and stuff and freshen up so I can go sleep. Tomorrow morning's another long day, so stay tuned. But anyways, comment down below what you found funny or what you found interesting about today. Hit that subscribe button and hit the thumbs up button if you like this video, and until tomorrow stay fearless and keep going. Bye.